Get Smart Plus 3 When's Your Birthday? And making learning diary with cursive writing. The skills for today's lesson is speaking 2.1.2. You will be able to ask and answer about birthday months. Wow, that cake looks delicious. Yummy. The second skill is writing 4.1.2. You will be able to write the learning diary in cursive writing. Before we begin the lesson, make sure you have got your Get Smart Plus 3, page 36 and 37. Well, if you still have problem in remembering the month of the year, let's listen to this song again.
January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the years.
Task 1. Put the months in correct order. Refer to your Get Smart Plus 3 workbook, page 30. Now look at Get Smart Plus 3, page 36. Happy birthday, Greg!
Thursday after school.
Happy birthday, Greg!
Thanks, Anna. When's your birthday, Anna?
It's in October too.
When's your birthday, Anna?
When's your birthday is a question about your birthday month or day.
It's in October too.
Anna answer, it's in October too. It's in month.
Activity 5. Ask and answer. When's your birthday? It's in March.
When's your birthday?
It's in May.
When's your birthday?
It's in December.
When's your birthday? It's in January. When's your birthday?
It's in July.
Months are the special names. Begin writing the word with capital letter. Task 2. Ask your siblings about their birthday. Write their name and the months in the table as shown. Write the learning diary about today's lesson in cursive writing. Let's see some example, and after this you will make your own. Write the learning diary. New words I remember. Activities I enjoy. The skill I did well in: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Reading, listening, speaking, writing. Thank you for watching. And also a very big thank you to all the subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. Who haven't subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and also ring the bell. We will meet in another episode of English Year 1, English Year 2 and English Year 3. So please subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.